Hello and welcome to Web Learning, where knowledge is shared. In this video, I'll show you how to make an easy smart IoT home control by using your Android phone and a Sonoff remote control. The Sonoff today, you can find it at less than $6 with free shipping from Banggod, a link you can find from the below. I have right here one, and you can see it's waiting while it's blinking. And the best way to remote control it from your Android device is by using your Google Assistant. So to start with it, we first need to click and hold the button. Then we need to use eWeLink by double clicking. We click Add, Quick Pairing, next. The device will try to connect to the Sonoff, and it's done. Now you can give it any name, like remote TV or TV control, if you want to turn on your or off your TV. Okay, now after you've done that, you can set the device to different things, but first of all, the most important part is the firmware need to be upgraded. Click the three dots, click Settings, and download new firmware, continue. It's resetting. And the device has been upgraded. Now you can do a few things. First of all, you can of course turn it on and off from far away. You can see the green LED turning on or off. I'll try to see if it's if we can do it better this way. The LED is not switching on or off, but you probably can hear the relay, or you can do it with a button. Okay, so when it's on, you can see it immediately on your mobile phone. When it's off, it switches off. You can schedule when you want to turn it on or off periodically, once, repeat, different days, times, this year, next year. Now this is where you have to set it for a date plus on, and then for a date plus off. Then you can do also a timer, so you can turn it on and off for a certain time, and that will happen only once. And you can loop timer. Okay, so this is how to remote the device from far away. You can do it outside your home. You don't have to have the Wi-Fi on or off. If I just turn my Wi-Fi off. So Wi-Fi is disconnected. You can see that I can also do it even though I'm not connected even to the Wi-Fi, so you can do it not even from your home. But we want to do it as an IoT device, so how do we do that? So first of all, you need to start and set Google Assistant, and long press at the home button will start Google Assistant.
Hi, what can I do for you?
So after starting Google Assistant, you have to click on the three dots. You need to go to Settings. You need to scroll down to Home Control. We click the plus. Then we scroll down to Smart eWeLink. There it is, Smart eWeLink. It will ask you your country, region. After that, you see both of the devices that are in your e-link. Then you can tap to assign a room. So for example, the office heater is in the office, the TV is in the living room. I click done. And that's it. Now you can tell Google Assistant how to turn off your TV or turn on everything or turn on the office heater, and we can give it a try. So long press. Please turn on the TV.
Okay, turning the TV on.
And that's it. And I can also tell it to turn off. Turn off the TV.
You got it, turning off the TV.
And also we can turn off the office heater. Turn off the office heater.
Sure, turning the office heater off.
That's it. I hope you liked it. Please click to subscribe and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.